If you've never purchased a car before, your new car loan may have a few shocks in store for you. You think you might have enough money to come up with a down payment and have the income to make the monthly payments. But you may have left out a few numbers when it comes time to secure that car loan. Time to do some thinking to save yourself hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Believe it or not, the lender you plan on seeking a car loan from has certain out-of-pocket expenses in preparing the loan agreement, which include participation fees, origination fees, etc. If you're not prepared to pay these costs up front, they'll be added to the principal of the loan, and you'll be paying additional interest costs. Finding out what the cost of your new car loan will be is as simple as asking a prospective lender or by reading the loan application. Many lending institutions have their applications on display for potential customers, and others have them available for download. Taxes are inevitable on any transaction. A new car purchase not only has sales tax associated with it, the new car loan can have taxes placed upon it as well. Taxes and licensing vary from state to state, but as a percentage of the value of the car, can add up to hundreds of dollars. Leaving these out of your budget can cost you more if they get rolled into the loan, adding further to your interest costs over the term of your car loan. Walk away from the no money down offers. The real story behind one of these car sales promotions is that what you'd put down on your car gets rolled into the principal of the car loan, costing you additional money down the road. There's no real savings in it, and if you can't afford a down payment, you probably wouldn't qualify for the offer to begin with. Make sure your budget includes a substantial down payment when securing your car loan. A minimum of 20% is recommended, but set up your budget to commit as much as possible to the money you're going to put down, which will add to your savings in the end. Spending more money up front can save a lot of money on a car loan. If you prepared your budget correctly by factoring in all the loan costs, down payment, taxes, and license, you'll drive down the cost of your interest payment substantially. Being prepared to make a hefty upfront payment also indicates to a lender that you're really serious about your investment and may offer you a lower interest rate on your car loan. Just remember to think beyond the sticker price of a new car when you buy. Federal Auto Loan. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, all good.